body to stay where it's in a good position. So, if I am able to play, then I can.
It's always, I mean, what you're dealing with obviously is a physical thing, but talk about the mental challenge that, some days you're feeling good and then you're not feeling good, and kind of the yin-yang of that.
Yeah, I mean, during the regular season, I definitely went through a lot of up and downs from excitement, knowing that I was in a good place, to frustration. It's going to be there to help the team. My guys are looking at me saying, it's close. And, you can't play, you almost feel like you're letting the team down because they need you out on the floor. So it's been a range of emotions, but emotionally, you just try to stick to it. It's like, I want to be here for the team, but then sometimes I have to be away because it's better for me to do what I need to do so I can get healthier so I can get back to join the team. So injuries are tough, and we all deal with it, but I like the way I feel right now. I'm in a good place, so I'm optimistic.
Is time a factor at all with you at this point as far as the ankle is concerned? Does time help, hurt, no impact at this point?
I don't think it's really a factor. I've gone there'll be a Monday where I feel pretty good, and Tuesday like it's not happening. So I've tried to read my body as best as I can. The last couple of days I've been in a really good place. So like I said, I'm optimistic.
How would you rate for tomorrow?
I'm optimistic, perseverance. I deal with the days as they come. If I'm sitting here tomorrow feeling good, then that's a different story. But I am optimistic about practicing today, so that's definitely a great step for me moving forward.
Ray,